Do you know someone who is having a difficulty in adding whole numbers? This video might help them. So, how do we add whole numbers? First, we need to know what is addition. Addition is the process of combining two or more numbers together. So in addition, we will be applying three basic rules. So let's say we have the given two addends, 4,523 and 2,415. First, align your numbers by its place value. Take note, improper alignment will lead you to an incorrect answer. So it's very important to follow the first rule. So let's check. First, we need to align the numbers by writing it down vertically. So 4,523 plus 2,415. So let's check. Ones under ones, tens under tens, hundreds under hundreds, then thousands under thousands. Matgaling, we were able to do the first step. So now we will continue with the second step. Start adding the ones place, tens place, hundreds place, and thousands place. So let's try. Add the ones place. So we have here 3 plus 5 will give you an answer of 8. Put the 8 under the ones column right there. So next, we will continue adding the tens place. So 2 plus 1 will give you the answer of 3. So put down the digit 3 under the tens column. Then we will continue adding the hundreds place. So 5 plus 4 will give you an answer of 9. So put the 9 digit under the hundreds place. Lastly, add the thousands place. So 4 plus 2 will give you the answer of 6. So put down the digit 6 again in the thousands place. So now we have the final answer, 6,938. The third rule is for you to regroup if necessary. So what is regrouping? Regrouping is the process of making groups of tens. So let's try adding these two addends. Let's say we have 6,781 and 3,095. So let's do first the first two rules. Align your numbers. So let's check. Ones under ones, tens under tens, hundreds under hundreds, then thousands under thousands. So we will go on with the second rule. Add the ones place. So 1 plus 5 will give you the answer of 6. So put down the digit 6 under the ones column. Next, we will add the tens place. So 8 plus 9 will give you an answer of 17. So as you can see, the digit here, which is 17, is a 2-digit number. But we're not allowed to put down two numbers at the same time. So with this, the third rule will happen, which is regrouping. So put down the digit 7 under the tens column and carry over the tens place, which is 1, in the hundreds place. Mat dali lang, di ba? So now we will continue adding the hundreds place. So 7 plus 0 will give you an answer of 7. But since we have a carryover a while ago from the tens place, which is 1, we need to add the answer 7 to the number at the top, which is 1. So 7 plus 1 will give you an answer of 8. Now, since we use the digit 1, we need to cancel it, indicating that we used the carryover already. And lastly, we will add the thousands place. So 6 plus 3 will give you an answer of 9. So put down the digit 9 under the thousands place. Mat dali lang matutunan, di ba? Share mo rin sa iba para may matutunan sila. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.